I do.
Big to do.
Yeah, Nanny gives us birthday presents.
She's your daughter.
Yeah, you get to accept. It's
Madeline,
none of your business.
both of you, like, seriously, stop it.
And this is too big.
There we
Come on,
go.
Megan, this goes okay now. Mom, this could be like a mobile for Pearl. Maybe we could hang up a little stick with a curve on it, and then we can like hang it up on Pearl's rocking chair. I mean, crib, and then it could, like, we could try and make it spin around, and then Pearl would literally fall asleep without saying "Mama."
Okay.
Music. River dance.
Meow. Meow.
What are you doing, Maggie?
Meow. Kitties. Meow.
Well, don't get in the way of the video. We're trying to do something. Maggie, come on. What's it gonna come?
It's a puppet show.
Oh, okay. You can do that. You can record that on your tablet. I'm trying to do a quick video.
Hmm.
Alan! There! Oh my God!
All right, guys.
Alan! I told you to keep it there!
Daddy!
So sorry.
Stupid drama. Stupid drama. You are. Maybe this is gonna be a sign. Maybe if you get this up, maybe if you get it fixed up, Maggie, if you get fixed up in a game, that's this side, that's it. I'm gonna put it out right there, okay? That's gonna be the fun. And here, it's gonna be this bigger.
Yeah?
Is it okay if we use your hammer?
No.
Dang it. Alright.
Look up.
Is there a door open?
You always have to. Please.
Is there a door open?
No! What is this for? Maggie, that's how far canvases. Shh. Mom, what is this for?
Those are acrylic paints. You cannot use them because they don't wash out.
It's for her canvas.
It's for mommy to be painting with. You guys have other paints you can use, water-based paints.
Those ones are boring and they barely even show.
Sorry, honey.
We can't even mix
put them I'll get you guys some new water-based paint.
No.
Not watercolor, water-based.
Watercolor.